Hello everyone, in this tutorial I want to talk about a previously bug that was in Android Studio, actually previous versions of Android Studio, not the newest version. So here let's actually create a new project in order to show you that. So the name of the project would be, for example, my application 10. It doesn't really matter what is the name of the application. I'm just going to show you that bug does not exist anymore and you don't have to change any files anymore. So let's actually create the project next, and the minimum SDK is API 16 Android 4.1 Jelly Bean next, and then here just choose basic activity next, and then click on finish. So in the applications that that I created with the previous versions of Android Studio, there was a nasty bug in those versions, in that specific version actually, and I had to actually change some of the codes inside the Gradle file. So you don't have to change that file, okay? So in the applications, for example, in app number 4 that you see in the course, you may see that I actually changed the build.gradle file, okay? The codes that are actually inside of the build.gradle file. You don't have to actually change that code. You just need to actually see that, okay, I am actually solving that bug. You would not see that bug anymore, okay? So I'm just solving that bug but by actually changing the codes inside the build.gradle file, and everything is the same. So it doesn't have to be like that. So I'm not going to update the app number 4, because by watching the app number 2 and app number 3, you get the idea that how you can actually design the user interface of the application. App number 4 is actually exactly the same. So I'm going to update the specific tutorials in this course that are actually necessary to be updated, so that the students can actually figure out how to design the user interface. And in app number 2 and app number 3, I talked a lot about layout gravity and gravity attribute, and how you can actually center your user interface components inside the layout, inside the parent layout, or how you can actually change the position of the child or children of a specific layout. I talked a lot about these concepts, and I will actually update any other tutorials in this course that are necessary to be updated. And if you encounter any other problems regarding the designing the layout, or regarding the updated specific features of Android Studio in the newest versions, so please let me know, and then I will actually let you know about the specific solutions in order to solve that problem. Or I may actually create a new tutorial in order to show you that how we can solve those problems. Please contact me if you have any questions about Android Studio, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.